Schrader valves are one of the most common places where leaks are found in HVAC and refrigeration systems, and improper tightening of the system Schrader cores is one of the most likely causes of these leaks. In this video, we will show how the 18991 RealTorque Core Removal Tool can be used for proper Schrader core installation. The silver knob on the end of the tool has an internal torque mechanism that clicks as soon as the proper torque has been applied to the Schrader core. With the core removal tool attached to the service port, the leaking Schrader core can be removed, and then the core removal tool ball valve can be closed to maintain the system charge. Now with a new Schrader core, the shaft can be attached back onto the end of the tool, the ball valve can be opened, and the Schrader core can be threaded back into place. Once the tool clicks, we can be sure that the core has been tightened to the proper torque and the core removal tool can be removed. The Schrader core has been properly replaced using the Yellow Jacket 18991 RealTorque Core Removal Tool. For more details, visit yellowjacket.com for product and customer support information.